Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some amazing Indian innovations by Indian scientists, Indian startups, etc. Now, in the past 1.5 years, we've seen an immense number of, innovations, products, developments, etc. by a lot of startup companies as well as Indian scientists as well. And hence, I've decided to create this video to shed some light on some major ones. Now, of course, we've seen a lot of developments by a few scientists, a few government companies. For example, the first one being the anti-COVID drug by DRDO. Now, this drug is, created by the INMAS along with, Dr. Reddy's laboratories. The major objective of the medicine being to reduce the dependence of the patients on oxygen as well as to reduce the spread of vaccine in the patient's body. Now this drug is priced at around 950 rupees, and right now it's not accessible all across the country, but in the coming times we can see it being more easily accessible. The directions for usage of this drug is given on the DRDO Twitter handle, as well as on their website as well, so we can definitely check it out. Now, moving on to some amazing innovations by Indian startups. For example, this one by Persapien. Now, we have seen the importance of sanitization and cleanliness in the last 1.5 years, and it's also amazing that this company has created a product which where they use water as an antiviral. Now here they're using water by dispersing in the form of a mist or microns, smaller water mist particles, by activating water using electrical energy. Now, at the moment, it is being installed in Narayana Hospital as well as the GMR Airport, Hyderabad. Now, moving on to the next startup, this is the company iCure. The objective of this company has been to take healthcare to the grassroots of our country and make healthcare very easily accessible by all sorts of people. So, for example, here they've created a software called as Wireless Health Incident Monitoring System or WIMS, wherein they analyze patient information for health screening, early detection, monitoring of diseases, etc. Currently, this product is catering to 10.2 million people, and for this noble cause and amazing innovation, the founder of this company has been awarded twice, that is, once in 2016 and once in 2019 as well. Now, apart from Indian startups as well as government organizations, IITs have also played a very important role in coming up with really useful and helpful, as well as affordable products to help us battle the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, this some innovations by IIT Madras includes a wireless ventilator system, a system for detection of respiratory syndrome, etc. These are some of the products developed by IIT Roorkee. The first one being a surveillance system, and the second one being a feedback system for ventilators. For example, the first one, as I had explained, the Raven Eye, is a startup founded by the professor of IIT Roorkee, wherein it helps in surveillance system to fight the COVID-19 through unique tracking mobile application, as well as the feedback ventilator, which I shown before, that is a Pranvayu, can control tidal volume and breaths per minute, as we can see here. The flow rate, the tidal volume, peak pressure, etc. You can learn all about these products as well as systems on their website as well. Now, moving on, apart from products, of course, IITs have played a very important role to come up with data statistic models to help us know how many COVID cases are being, increasing or decreasing every single day district wise. For example, this one by IIT Kanpur, wherein they've launched a website called as COVID-19forecast.org, wherein they're letting us know about the daily cases, active cases, etc. District wise, and you can see these forecasts or models on their website, that is the website mentioned here. These charts definitely help us track the pandemic and help us take important decisions to battle it as well. Now, of course, apart from medicines, we also need to have good affordable testing kits, and this one by IIT Delhi, which was the first academic institute to get nod from ICMR for their test kit, which is now also being commercially used by a lot of companies, the first one being the Genie Laboratories. Now, of course, we cannot end this video without talking about vaccines. Now, we've been really grateful to have not just one but many Indian vaccines being developed in our country, and in the coming times, we can see these numbers increasing. Hopefully, to help us, battle the pandemic and end it as well as soon as possible. So with that, we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys found this useful, interesting, as well as engaging. Do let me know what other innovations you have come across and in the comment section below, or what are the videos you would like me to do in the coming future. This is Pragya and I thank you all for watching. Bye.